Using Venmo Security is essential to protect your financial information and prevent unauthorized transactions. To understand why Venmo Security is important, let's break down the key concepts and best practices. First, Venmo uses encryption to secure your data, which means that your financial information is converted into a code that only authorized parties can decipher. This ensures that even if your data is intercepted, it will be unreadable to anyone without the decryption key. Second, Venmo offers two-factor authentication, which requires you to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint scan. In addition to your password, this adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for hackers to gain access. Third, Venmo monitors your account activity for suspicious transactions and will alert you if it detects any unusual activity. This allows you to quickly respond to potential security threats and prevent financial loss. To use Venmo Security effectively, make sure to set up two-factor authentication and keep your password and account information confidential. It's also important to regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Venmo. Additionally, be cautious when using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to access your Venmo account, as these can be vulnerable to hacking. Instead, use a secure network or a virtual private network to add an extra layer of protection. By following these best practices and using Venmo's security features, you can help protect your financial information and prevent unauthorized transactions. Remember, security is a shared responsibility between you and Venmo, so stay vigilant and take steps to safeguard your account.